Hey guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Facebook account. So there are two ways that you can delete it. There is permanent deletion and the other one is temporary deletion, which is also called deactivation. If you also want to learn how you can delete or deactivate your account of Facebook, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get straight into it. From the home screen of your Facebook, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now on the top you'll be able to see the settings icon right here, but if you don't, you can scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and again tap on settings. Now on the top you'll see a search bar. You simply need to search for delete, and a delete option of Facebook will open up the first option. Now as soon as you do that, you can see you have two options to deactivate, which is the temporary deletion, and the second one is delete, which is permanent. Now choose your preferred one and then tap on continue. In the next page, it's going to show you all the profiles and the pages that you've created, and once you delete it, all those will also be deleted. If you agree, tap on continue and choose a reason that you want to delete your Facebook. Tap on continue to account deletion. Now it will show you the few other things that you can do before you delete your account, such as if you want to keep your messenger, keep your post that you've archived or saved, download your information and other things. If you want to continue, tap on delete account. Now the last thing you'll need to do is enter in the password of your Facebook. If you don't remember it, you can reset it and create a new one, but you cannot delete your account without a password. Type in your password and tap on delete. Now as soon as you do that, your account of Facebook will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to recover it. So that's going to be all for today's video. If you guys like this video and found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.